everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Kitaholic kits. Today I am working with the July kit, which is based around the Crepe Paper All Heart collection, and I am using this specialty paper. Now I was going to cut this apart and use it, it's different little pieces, but I decided to use it as a full page. I did use one of the exclusive cut file stars. I cut it at like I think it's around 6 by 6 size star, and I did thicken up the lines a little bit to be kind of a little landing spot for my photo and embellishment clusters. I did back the star with a bunch of tulle, and this is just white tulle that I have in my stash. I did use up all of the pink tulle already that came in the kit, and I just really love tulle, and I have used it in the past, and so I have a bunch of it, so I figured I would pull some of it out because it goes so well with this kit. So it's just white tulle that I pulled out of my stash, but now I'm just using all of the little die cuts, and I apologize that you can't really see the top of the layout. Yeah, I just feel kind of out of practice making videos because I feel like it's been probably over a week and just so much stuff has happened lately that I just, yeah, just out of practice. So I apologize for that. But I'm just doing a little cluster up in that right hand upper corner to balance out my big cluster down at the bottom. The photo I'm using is of my oldest daughter. It's a poor quality photo. It was taken like at nighttime from across the room with my phone, and it's just not a very good quality, and but that's okay. Like, it was just a fun photo of her, and it's okay that it's grainy and it just isn't very well lit. It doesn't matter. In this photo, she was trying on some clothes, and she picked out like a combination, and she came out acting all hippie and everything, and so I thought it was super cute. And I thought it went really well with this collection for some reason. Just, very strong and girl power, right? So I am using my hot glue gun to glue things down. I find if you are able to glue hot or tool down or hot glue tool down, that is the best way to get it to stick. Second best is sewing, and then all the rest of the adhesives are below both those options. So I'm just gluing everything down, and I'm really trying to I want the star to be visible. I don't want to completely cover up all the pieces, so I'm trying to strategically place things so you can still see the points of the star. I am using the pink fresh chipboard as well. I have, there's a couple of the frames that I'm using. One of them I'm using behind my layers down on that bottom, and then I'm using one in this upper cluster as well. And I pulled out a few of the little embellishment pieces too that I thought would go cute with this layout. And I'm going to be adding some of I'm just picking out the holographic sequins to go in my clusters, and I'm just layering them around. And I do use Zot's little glue dots to stick my sequins down. They're the blings size, so they're really tiny and they're perfect for this. And I decided to work on my title. Ooh, I thought I really wanted to try to get these tassels on, but I thought of it too late, and I was just trying to figure out, I was thinking, ooh, I could string something, but then it would mean I'd have to pull up my picture, and I just didn't want to deal with that. So I'll save those for a different project. I'm pulling off a couple of the words off of the Pebbles thickers sheet, And then I remembered that I have these other thickers that are holographic and that they would go perfectly with this background paper. These are from my stash. These do not come in the kits. But you know, sometimes you just have that perfect thing in your stash that just makes your layout go so well together. So I did pull them out and use the word hippie, and then a couple of little holographic, I think they're like stars or asterisks or something, and put them in the other clusters. And now I'm pulling this in. This is the Vicky Bouton Silver Glaze, and this is also from my stash, not part of the kit, but I wanted a little bit of splatters around, and I thought silver would work really well with the holographics, so I just watered it down, and I'm just using a small paintbrush and sprinkling that around. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to kitaholickits.com and check out what they have available. There's usually a lot of product in the shop as well. And I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.